Hello friends, I hope you all are well. You are watching your favorite channel Get the Blogs, and this is our second video on WordPress development from basic to advanced. So in this video we are going to talk on structure of a website, and first topic is what is the base to start a website, and then how a website is structured, then structure a few web pages in Illustrator to understand the structure. So we are going to cover these topics in this video. I hope you all will enjoy it and you will be stay with me. Thank you. So first topic, what is the base to start a website? Here is our website and we will start with this website so that you can understand it. So at first, any website must have three different parts in a page. So this different three parts is a header, a footer and a body part. The content and design of this body part changed based on page requirement and design and data. So if we check any website, you will see the same thing. We have three major thing: header, footer and a body. For example, we are checking this website. Here you can see we have a header, we have a footer and we have a body. So the main part of a website is a header, a footer and a body. And if we check our favorite website facebook.com, here also we have this type of same thing: a header, a body, and you know Facebook is a systemic app, so it do not have this type of footer, but we can call this as a footer. So the main part of a website, we can say all website must have three part: a header, a footer and a body. And now the second is how a website is structured. So it is depending on the design and the functionality of website. If we check here, you can see this is a simple design, but here is we have a different design. So how a website is structured, it depends on the design and how it should function. And now third topic, structure a few website in Illustrator to understand structure of a structure system. So in the previous video we said we may use Figma or Illustrator to execute and understand the design. Now here we are using Figma and this is our example website image. We are going to use this one to understand the structure. It is very basic and very simple website. It will be very easier to understand for us. So what we said, a website must have three parts: a header, a footer and a body. Let's say this is our web page. This is our web page. So it must have these three different layer: a header, we can see set this as a header. I am setting various color to understand the layers. So this is our header, and at the bottom we have our footer. And now the gap between header and footer, this part is called page body. So here we have setted three different color to understand what is this. If we remove this three part, and then this is our main body of a website, and then in this body we have three parts: header, footer and page body. So what is header and what is footer and what is page body? For example, if we come here and check these two different pages of this website, here you can see this we have these two different pages, but there we have something common. Not even only onto this page, on all pages we have something common. If we check these three pages, you must understand, here we have header, the first section which is appearing at the top of this website. The same section is appearing here, also here, and this will appear all over the website, across the website, and this can change also, no problem. It is not compulsory that it have to be stay same on all pages. It depends on requirement. And the bottom part, you can see it is also similar on these pages. So the part which is appearing at the top and containing our menu, social icons, website logo, etc., we called it a header of a website. And the part which is appearing at the bottom, we called it footer. And the between part, in between header and footer, this part we called the page body. It is not the body, it is page body, because it is on page body. And in body, header, footer and page body, everything is included in body. I will show you in next videos. So here we will understand we have main three part: header, footer and page body. Now we will start with this website structure so that we can understand it. Let's keep it to understand better and easily. So also this website we have a header and page body and our footer. Let's start executing this design here. We're not executing the same design, we're just executing the structure here. So at the header we can see three different things: a logo. If I zoom here, we can see easily a logo, a menu, a search box and icon. So if we want to design here the same thing, how we will do in Illustrator, we are using in Figma, we are using Figma to understand the structure so that we can do the same thing in HTML. The thing we are doing here, we will do same thing in HTML so that we can execute the same design of this page. So first of all, here we have three different things. Here we have logo, and then we have a menu, and then we have a search icon and another icon, maybe it is a navigation icon or etc. So what we have on the header, we have a main section which is red. For example, in our case we make it red. This is our header part, and then in the header part we have four things. One is logo, one is menu, one is search icon and another one is burger icon, burger trigger. So we have to understand this. We will start with the most biggest part of structure. So first of all, we deal with the header, and inside header you can see on the design we have two things left and two things right. The logo and the menu is staying at the left, and the icon and burger trigger is staying at the right, as you did in the design. To execute this design, we have to wrap up this all with something like this. So in header we have two different layer, one is this and another one is this. And so the structure on the header is this way. A section, it is divided into two parts, left and right. In left part we have two things, logo, navigation menu, and right part we have the search icon and the burger trigger. And if we come here at the footer, we will see almost the same thing. So first of all we have two div here, one is first at the top and second one is here at the bottom. If we make the structure here, we have this top menu here, and then we have the now we have the top footer here and then the bottom footer here, and is in this between we have a divider line. So the footer, the first we have a big section here and then another one at the bottom, and then we have this line here. At the top one we have again a few things, a left box which is appearing with this address, a menu, and then another menu. So here we have, it is this way. This is our address box, and then we have another for the menu, and this is another one for the other menu. If we come here at the bottom, what we have this logo. So here we have the logo, for example, and then we have a copyright text here at the center, and then we have the social icons. So the footer is structured this way, and in this we have these different small things, I mean these social icons and these items. I'm not doing these items here also, or let do it also. So then what we have in this left portion, we have this address. So you have a text line for address, then another text line for phone, and then another text line for the email. And here we have a few menus. This box we have a few menus, and also on this box we have these few menus. So thus the first part is done, and if we come here in the second part, this is our logo, this is our copyright text, and in this social box we have some social icons. For example, we are putting 4 here, so we have these social icons. So the visually we can see this design here, it is appearing here with the HTML and CSS. The same structure we are going to do in HTML and CSS and execute this design, and we'll show you how you can be a perfectionist on this design. And if we come here at the top, you can see we have a full wide and full height banner for the hero, which is overlaying the header. Header is at the above or of this design system. So what we have this full size image. So this is our full size image, and the header is overlaying of this image. In this image we have a text. For text, let's put a simple text. To understand it, and then we have some other text, and then we have a box. In this box we have two different buttons. So what we have on the top part, we have this banner image. In this banner image we have a bigger text which we call the title, and then we have some paragraph here, and then we have a box which is containing two buttons, an orange button and a black button. And then if we come here, we have some other sections which we will teach you on the next part of this video. I hope you all enjoys this, and I ask you to make comment in this video so that we can know how you are feeling about this our teaching system. Thank you very much.